music, there is endless dancing, and if you dare to sit down, he will come and point at you in your face and say, "How dare you sit down?"
Very smartly put.
Yeah, I know. Diplomatic answer
Very.
That's like so well put. I think I should keep a recording of this interview and use it in my own introductions of who I am.
I read somewhere where you said that Satya is the closest that you played to yourself. So, मतलब what? Are you a jholer in real life also?
देखो, मैं दिल्ली का लड़का हूँ. अभी जो समझना है समझ लो.
बस तो एक लाइन बोल दिया, मतलब समझ गए हम.
Yeah, exactly. So, मतलब झोलर नहीं. It's like street smart. Like when you grow up in Delhi, आप दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी गए हैं, you have survived Bombay for 10 years. तो वो एक मतलब how to be aware of, like to know कि लोग तुम्हारा कब बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं और कब नहीं. इतनी समझदारी उसमें है, but have a sense of humor about it and know how to get your way around things. That is what makes Satya who he is. And I really feel closest to him because in this film, I am not killing anyone. I'm not kidnapping anyone. And it's very different from the other parts. And he's like a dil ka romantic. And jo bhi, I think when you've grown up on 90s Bollywood, like I have, that fits in very easily for you.
Yeah. What's amazing is that a lot of films की shooting हुई during this lockdown, and touch wood, most sets were safe from the virus and stuff. But were you scared? मतलब कुत्ते बिल्ली सब दौड़ रहे थे पेट में कि क्या था day one? Because I know when I went, see right now I'm still in Pune. When I went back to Mumbai, I was shit scared, dude. Like I was very scared and paranoid just going to my building. But you were on set. Even though controlled environment hota hai, but I'm sure you were a little nervous.
Yeah, I think anxious is the right word because there are two things that you're looking out for. One is the safety of yourself and everyone around because it is a health issue. And the second is you want to secure the project. क्योंकि set एक ऐसी जगह है कि अगर एक भी इंसान को कुछ हो जाए तो 10 दिन के लिए फिर आपका shoot रुक जाएगा, सबका test होगा, you will find out if everyone in the crew is okay. And that means that the shoot will have to stop. So there are two things that are constantly going on in your mind. And yes, I was shit scared. There were two peak phases of being anxious. One is when the lockdown just opened last year in October, November, when we had started shooting. When you come back onto set and you see people in PPE kits, you're seeing that your temperature check, oximeter check, you're having a UV light sanitization that's happening. It was like, every time you want to get onto set, it was like crossing immigration to get into another country with these kind of like bio checks that are going on. So it wasn't and again, it's a very small price to pay for what the safety of everything was. But it's not an easy work environment. Like sets were no longer, hey, come on, like in between we've got 15 minutes, let's sit together and have coffee or let's eat lunch together. Those were things that were so normal pre-lockdown, and these simple things became incredibly difficult. And the second period of being very anxious was in the middle of March when the numbers started going up again. We were shooting in Ladakh at the time, and Ladakh, for people who've not been, is as it is. It's a very difficult terrain to be shooting in because it's very thin air. There's lack of oxygen. We were shooting in -7. So we were all very worried. We got our tests done again while we were all in Ladakh just to make sure that everyone's okay.
But talking about the Netflix show that you're doing with Shweta Tripathi again, one bundle of energy she is, man. She is like absolutely crazy. Kali kali aankhein. Kali kali aankhein. Of course, the 90s influence had to have happened somewhere in your life for the show. How was that?
I think you've hit the nail with bundle of energy. So I have gone from Taapsee, who's a bundle of energy, to Shweta, who's slightly smaller. Like she's a mini version, but she has like as much energy, if not more. Like so, she was a great balance because on set I'm a bit subdued because I'm like full focus, but Shweta is full focus with like all this. But she's all heart. Like there's just like again. There's no pretense there. There is like she is who she is, and she's so comfortable in herself, and that made creating what we were trying to do like all the more easy. And what I realized shooting this series, Sangeeta, is that shooting a series is like shooting 3 films because a film normally finishes in 40 to 50 days, but here we were shooting for 150 days, and we shot in in Bhopal, we've shot in a place called Omkareshwar. We've shot in Manali, in Ladakh, in Bombay, in Pune, and all of this during the pandemic. So you need an RT-PCR test every time you leave. You're all living in the hotel. You can't go out because you're existing in a bio bubble. But at the same time, it made the journey because you bond with the crew so much more. It's a smaller crew these days. Instead of having 300 people, you're dealing with 50 or 60 people, and we've been through every emotion together because, as the title suggests, it's full-on Bollywood, unapologetically. It's an all-out. It starts out as a romantic drama and turns into this darker revenge story, and it's really exciting.
And you're a Shah Rukh Khan fan. I know that you are like a major Shah Rukh fan.
And I'm a massive Shah Rukh Khan fan, and I didn't know the title of the show when we started shooting. Very often, when you start shooting, you've got a working title, or it just says a blank slate. And then they said Kali Kali Aankhein. So I said, wait, do you have the rights to the song? And they said, yes, we have the rights to the song. So it's incredible that in some way they're going to be using the song as well, without remixing it, because I'm really anti this remix
Thank you so
culture.
much. I love it.
Yeah.
But Tahir, it's an observation that you've actually taken up consciously different kind of roles. What you were in Chichore is very different from what you are in Lupla-Peta. Cut to, there is an 83 in between. Then there is like an out and out romantic thing that you're doing, like a crazy thing on Netflix. So I don't think you're someone who believes in doing ke fat project kar lete hain ek saal mein. So I think that maybe you are someone who takes time to decide what he finally wants. You think that luxury has come to you over time?
That's like so well put. I think I should keep a recording of this interview and use it in my own introductions of who I am. But you're so right. I think I was very clear that when Mardani happened that I didn't want to do 3 films that were similar bad boy parts. And that would have been the easiest thing for me to do, because those were the kind of projects that automatically come to you when something works. But I knew that if that's what I did so early on, then that's what I would end up doing almost forever. And I know that I spent a lot of years before Mardani happened, and I didn't want to take it for granted. Like, I didn't want, acha, abhi ye ho gaya, ab sirf, I don't want to go out of the comfort zone at all. So it was very intentional that Manto was a biopic period film with Nawaz. 83 is a sports biopic. Chichore was a college drama. So that you can do diverse parts, and then you're in a position to say, now I can choose what I want to do, because I know that what I like, what the audience likes.
So what's your comfort? Now that you've done like so many different kinds of roles, where's your comfort?
My comfort is playing imperfect characters, and it doesn't matter what kind of genre they're in. And I'll explain what imperfect is.
Very smartly put.
Yeah, I know. Diplomatic answer.
Very.
This is another one of the talents that I have picked up over the years. No, but I'll tell you what. Like, when I used to watch films, since we've spoken about the 90s, like a Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na with Shah Rukh Khan, like everyone fell in love with him and that character, but he wasn't perfect. He wasn't the guy who could go up to a girl and charm her in a second. It wasn't easy for him to get the girl.
He was actually the loser.
He was the loser, but he was a charming loser. He was a guy you felt for. Or an Amir Khan in Rangila, where again he didn't have it all going for him. He didn't have अच्छी गाड़ी में से निकलता हुआ slow motion में walk करता हुआ. It wasn't that.
Now let's do something fun. Chalo. Let's do like a fun rapid fire, which anyway I keep doing with you. So it's so difficult to get new bunch of questions every time. But here you go. One moment that inspired you, Tahir, to become an actor.
Yeah.
Which was that moment?
I watched Amitabh Bachchan's Agnipath in a single screen theater when I was growing up, and when I saw him act, my reaction to that as a kid, I think I was 12 years old. That was an inspiring moment. I was like, wow, I pointed at the screen and I was like, this is what I want to do.
This is so cool. Okay. What are you binge watching? Tell me, have you seen Family Man? Have you seen all the ones that have released?
What am I binge watching? I think the last one I watched was Paglet, the film. But I really want to get into Family Man because I'm hearing amazing things about it.
Yeah. Okay. Paglet you saw, huh? Love Sania Malhotra.
Yeah. Yeah.
She's fab. Okay. Describe your lockdown life एक line में.
Cleaning and home workouts has been my lockdown life.
That's nice. Now you're back to your room in Delhi.
Yes, I'm actually visiting my parents at the moment, and it's amazing because मैं एक साल बाद घर आया हूँ, actually over a year, and that was one of the hardest things about the lockdown because when you're working on a film set, you earlier pre-lockdown you could, if you have a weekend or some time off, you could go back home, but during pandemic times you can't do that.
Are you getting fed all the food and all? अभी जब तुम दिल्ली में हो,
मतलब जो भी वर्कआउट लॉकडाउन के बाद किया था वो 10 दिन में सब निकाल दिया यहाँ पे. मैं सुबह उठ के पराठे खाता हूँ मैं.
Very good, very happy. Your folks are going to be extremely happy. Okay, what would you rather do now given a choice? A rom-com या an anti-hero film?
Right now, the phase that I'm in, a rom-com, because it would be different, it would be new.
Okay, great. Now I'm going to throw these co-stars के नाम to you, and तुमको मुझे बताना है कि in terms of how much fun do you have with them on the set? Okay, rate them. 1 being the lowest. ठीक है? Ranveer Singh.
Oh man, yeah, Ranveer Singh is a I would say he's a 9, just because of the. You said scale of 1 to 10, no? No, he's probably an 11 because he's the kind of, he's always on, like he's always on. And that's great because when someone comes to set with that kind of energy, you have to like keep your game up as well. Like you can't be sussed in front of Ranveer. And he's just, he plays hard and he parties hard. Like that's like he works hard and he parties hard. Like that's
what happens in a Ranveer Singh party. I know there's 90s music for sure.
Yeah, there's 90s music, there is endless dancing, and if you dare to sit down, he will come and point at you in your face and say, how dare you sit down, because everyone is on the floor. So you can't rest, you can't take a break, you can't eat. You're on, you're partying, like with a capital P.
Oh my God, okay. Shraddha Kapoor.
Shraddha Kapoor is a sweetheart. 8.
Okay. Taapsee.
Wow, these are Taapsee, I would say, is also like John. She's a 7 because she also parties hard and works super hard. I remember when we started shooting for Loop Lapeta because she was also shooting another project which required her to be like in a runner's shape.
Shabash Mittu?
So she was
it?
Yeah. No, I think this was Rashmi
Rocket. Correct.
Yeah.
She was on a diet and shit. Yeah.
Yeah. So hardcore. I've never seen someone eat so much peanut butter on set. And do so much like running and workouts. So it was great. Like she's phenomenally committed, but when she has fun also now, she's full fun. She's like, chalo, aaj main kuch bhi kha sakti hu. So then she's like, bindas.
Bhai, ye Maldives gayi thi aur salad kha rahi thi. So I can imagine her dedication. Okay, Rani Mukherjee, how do I not take her name?
Rani Mukherjee, I think because it was a first film, I would say I would give her 8 in terms of like how much energy she brings on set, but I wouldn't exactly say fun because like when your first film, there's just so much pressure. It's like saying board exams mein kitna fun aaya tumhe. So
agree. Okay, your advice to all those people Tahir जो actor बनना चाहते हैं, what would you advise?
My advice is that the most important thing is to remain consistent. बहुत time एक actor की जिंदगी में एक ऐसा समय आता है where you start to doubt yourself because you might have faced a rejection, because people have asked you what is it that you're doing and why aren't things working out. You have to believe in your crazy dream more than anyone else and just remain consistent, and especially during the days that we're living in right now.
And before we say bye-bye, of course, you've got your jab and I've got my first shot. And फिर भी there are a lot of people जो अभी, डर रहे हैं vaccination लेने में, so how has your experience been and what do you want to tell all those people?
My experience was the only trouble I had was in getting the slot, and I know that everyone is facing that, but I feel like it's a very small price to pay for something that is so very important. So please register on the CoWIN website and go out there and find your slot, because this is a very long time battle that we're fighting against COVID, and the vaccine is your small bit that you can do. And if you are in any doubt, then please remember that whatever misconception you have about any side effects or any effects that the vaccine has is very small compared to how devastating COVID can be to you, your friends, or your family. So go out there and get your jab.
Hopefully we'll meet face to face.
Yes, hopefully next one should be face to face.
हाँ यार, बस अब चलो. Okay, Baba. Bye. Thank you. Thank you.